For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A lot of debate has been stirred over the use of hydroxychloroquine to prevent COVID-19 infection. But the WHO has found reasons to abandon the clinical trial of the anti-malarial drug temporarily. Shekhar Mande, the Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, says HCQ was an integral part of the solidarity trial of the WHO. So what made it take the decision?
What has happened is 4 days ago, there is a paper in Lancet by a group of Dr. Patel. What they have done is they have looked at hospital registries around the world, and based on 96,000 hospital registries, they have come to a conclusion that critical patients, when given hydroxychloroquine, they don't really show any improvement. Rather, in some of the patients, the condition worsens.
The WHO has relied on medical journal Lancet's research paper.
There is a Lancet paper based on hospital registry data. That's not a randomized clinical trial. See, clinical trial is a double-blinded clinical randomized trial. It is not that. It's only an analysis of hospital registers around the world. But still, because some people seem to have worsened condition, WHO has temporarily halted the study. And I'm sure WHO will take a considered call in the coming time.
India's premier medical research body, the Indian Council of Medical Research, has recommended its use as prophylaxis medicine for doctors or contacts of lab-confirmed cases. So can India continue with its use?
Yeah, so I think we should trust the judgment of ICMR. ICMR people are exceptionally well qualified in this. And if they say that it should be continued, we should trust their judgment and we should continue.
The CSIR DG said scientific evidence was important to find a treatment for COVID-19.
CSIR doesn't have any particular suggestion. All CSIR can do is undertake a clinical trial. So at this moment, hydroxychloroquine is not on our radar for conducting a clinical trial. So if CSIR ever has to advise anyone on a particular drug or formulation, we will do that based on scientific evidence. But we have not generated any scientific evidence on hydroxychloroquine on our own.
The question is whether clinical trials are more reliable or hospital registries.
Any day we should rely upon clinical trials. Double-blinded, randomized clinical trials are the ones that are to be trusted.
The WHO Solidarity trial includes the experimental drug remdesivir and an HIV combination therapy, and they are still being studied. Remdesivir got prominence after the United States Food and Drug Administration allowed its emergency use. India is among the countries where the Solidarity trial is being carried out. Patients in 20 to 35 hospitals in India are likely to be a part of the trial, and 4 hospitals in Jodhpur, Ahmedabad, Chennai and Bhopal have received approvals. More hospitals will be added to the list.